AMD at this point, we have a channel, and the channel is down. So we're looking at support right here. See if this bounce a little to the upper every time. We're good morning, good afternoon, good evening as well. This is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel. As usual, we're going to be talking about stocks. We're going to be talking about long-term stocks, and as well as earnings report, and look at the numbers in terms of what we got coming in. Also, we're going to be taking a look at US economic activities going on, and as well as we're going to talk about the tariff and see how it's affecting sectors, and what kind of sector is kind of like okay with the whole deal with the tariff, which is kind of more like a tariff or a recession proof stocks, right? Now, looking at the broader sector, now you can really tell which sector is in the red for the past week performance. Okay, overall financial is down, technology is down, followed by consumer, defensive, and energy. Okay, overall energy is down. Okay, and the major sector that really pushed the market down is the financial. Okay, and then followed by energy, but you know, technology is still there, coupled with names like ADBE and all that. ADBE is set to report this coming week. Okay, now let's go into the US economic calendar. Let's see what's going to happen. This is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock or equity. This is for entertainment purposes only, guys. Pretty much on Monday, nothing is scheduled. Tuesday, we have job openings as well as optimism index, followed by Wednesday, which will give us our price index, which is our consumer price index. See what is going on in the market as per consumers, as well as core CPI and monthly US budget. Okay, federal budget. Also Thursday is going to be initial jobless claim, followed by our PPI, producer price index, and Friday is going to be consumer sentiment. Pretty much it's going to be a very strong week when it comes to the upside or to the downside. Market actually really did react based on activities from Trump or from Fed chair. Okay, Fed, pretty much the tariff, this according to you know, financial expert out there, they're talking about this will actually weaken the economy in terms of tariff, because customers are actually pausing on new orders, and also companies gonna be, you know, pretty much pausing moving their ship and moving product into the US because of the tariff. So they're just gonna wait and see if it does pause what is going to do. Inflation pretty much is sticky, and the Fed really waiting to see how Trump is gonna work on the economy, in which direction is going to go. Right now they really don't know if to, you know, increase or cut interest rates. So right now they are just really standing by. Okay, according to the Fed's favorite tool to track inflation, unlikely to offer ammo for reducing US interest rates. So that is what Fed also said, that right now they really don't know what is happening, because they have no idea how and what is going to happen, because tariff, inflation, and so on and so forth. So they need some form of a direction before they can reduce rate or increase rate. Okay, so now let's talk about our stock. Before then, we're going to talk about SPY. Okay, this is our Spider S&P 500 ETF, and pretty much we are looking at price back into the 200 moving average. I've been really pounding the table on this, and I said, you know, once price is back to the 200 moving average, the big boy is going to be grabbing some. They're going to be picking up long term. So 570 was my support, and of course we actually tapped 565 in XPY. So I'll be looking for more to the upside if momentum continue. However, this week is going to be really interesting week to see which direction the market is going to go. Okay, I also do like the market to be around this area so that I can really grab other stocks on long-term hold. So look for support, look for accumulation around this area right here on SPY, with 37% on the RSI and 81 million shares traded as at of Friday close. First stock here is going to be Tesla. What we are looking at, we're looking at momentum here, failing the 200 moving average with support at 240. So keep an eye out there. If price does not really reclaim the 270, 280 spot, I'll be looking for more to the downside. ADBE as well, ADBE. They do have earnings coming up, and if they do good, I'll be looking at price around the $490, $500 spot. If they do bad, I'll be looking at a retest of 410 spot on ADBE. So keep an eye out, keep a very good close eye. Chart looks like it wants to really break out back into the 200 moving average as well. SHOP, we're looking at a support at the $100 spot. That is a crazy candle. That is a beautiful looking candle. Decision need to be made Monday if this will fill this gap back to the 200 moving average. So keep an eye out as well. ULTA as well, they got earnings report coming in, and I will be looking for more earnings action to the upside here. Look for 370 break to the upside, which coincide with our 20 exponential moving average there. DOCU as well, DOCU, this name also have earnings report. If they do bad, we're going to be looking at $70 and below on this name. But overall, I've seen a whole lot of people, they do use DocuSign, and of course keep purchasing yearly product from them. So pretty much this company is also good. I do like them, but overall looking at the 20 and 50 exponential moving average break to the upside. If they do good, then we'll look for 90, 95, $100. ABT as well. This really didn't care about the tariff, and right now we're looking at support at the 20 for continuation to the upside. Look for 140, and this can continue pushing to the upside. Matter as well. Matter at this point, we are looking at support. We got back to support $600, and boom, the stock actually bounced to the upside. Okay, so look for 640 break, we can continue to the upside, but for now 600 is the support. If this fail, we're going to be looking at the 200 moving average there. BlackRock, BLK, support, defined support right here, and we're looking at support, bounce off the 200 moving average to the upside only. Look at that beautiful wick right there. This is a very strong buys right now, and we're looking at 960, 967 on the next resistance on that name. Boeing as well. Boeing at this point, look at that market follow through, failing 200 moving average, failing support back in here. They got bought back up, $4 move to the upside. Look for support at 150 on that name. PLTR, what have we got here? Looking at trend, which is also our 50 exponential moving average right there. This break the 50, then we can continue back to 95 or even back to the highs, but for now we're looking at 80 as our support, which coincides with our uptrend right here. So look for more in the coming days. We are sold on the RSI. Let's take a look at ZOM real quick. XOM, we're looking at breaking trend support only to bounce back up right into 109. For now, resistance is at 111, 112 in the coming days. Keep an eye out on that spot in that area if momentum can come right in. Overall, we're looking at NVIDIA right here. NVIDIA at this point, we're looking at support. This is the area of demand. This is the demand zone. We broke pretty much that demand zone back into 107.50, 107.60, and then guess what happened? It got bought back up only to close 112.69. Look for more above 115. This can rally back to 120. Texas Instrument, TXM, right now we're having issue with the 200 moving average there. We just need to break 20 and 50 exponential moving average to the upside, but for now we are looking for more. We're looking at the market direction to continue right there. Pfizer as well, PFE, this is a beautiful looking chart as we have the 200 moving average right there, 27. That is the 200 moving average, and as soon as this breaks that, we may rally on Pfizer. But if any bad news, we're going to be looking at 25 in the coming days. Amazon pretty much will back into the 200 moving average, failed right through, found support at 193, 194-ish area, only to close right above that 200 moving average spot. So I would say look for support right here for the continuation to the upside. GME as well, looking for more momentum right here. We've been having issue here on GME. It just couldn't break that 200, so keep an eye out. If this break 25, I think we'll continue back to the upside, but if it doesn't, we're going to be looking at price back to the $20 spot. HOOD as well as Coinbase, of course. Robinhood, we're looking at support at $42.50, $40 spot. That is our support. Momentum continue to come into this name and volume come into this name will continue to the upside, but for now RSI is 40, and then no, look at where it actually tapped, 67.5. Anyway, so also we're taking a look at AMD. Of course, AMD at this point, we have a channel and the channel is down, so we're looking at support right here. See if this bounce a little to the upper. Every time we really bounce off into that channel, just like that, just keep going lower and lower. So guess what, we may actually bounce right into the 20 exponential moving average and then back again if it continues that way. So keep an eye out. That is going to be interesting stock to actually watch. Okay, ROBLX as well, we're looking at this gap around that zone right here, but I don't think price is gonna come to that spot, so I would say just watch out. $55 break, we're gonna continue down to 50 as a support, if not 48.55 area right there. Oracle also earnings coming in, we're looking at support right around here for the bounce into the 200 moving average there. Google as well as a beautiful name right below the 200 moving average. This is a beautiful spot, beautiful area for the long term. Remember, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for spending your weekend with me. Thank you for the amazing amazing couple of weeks that we'll spend together. Peace and love, guys. Bye bye.